The Finance Minister Matia Kasaija has assured Ugandans that government will not introduce new taxes in the next financial year 2022-2023, but rather more measures to enforce the old ones. Now, reading that 48 trillion shillings budget to MPs on Tuesday, Kasaija said that in a bid to achieve next financial year's budget priorities, government will see how to enhance domestic revenue mobilization than introducing new taxes. We have the report. The Finance Minister, Matia Kasaija, has said no new taxes will be introduced in financial year 2022-2023, but the country will achieve revenue targets by improving the efficiency in the tax collection and enhancing compliance to tax laws. He added that the capacity of Uganda Revenue Authority will be enhanced by recruiting and training staff, deploying appropriate equipment and ICT to enforce tax laws. Taking cognizance of the current economic situation, but also the effect of the coronavirus pandemic, the Finance Minister said government will focus on getting tough on tax evaders to ensure it realizes its collections. To this, government will further strengthen URA to enable collect enough taxes to fund the 48 trillion shillings budget. He mentioned several amendments to tax laws that he said are intended to tighten the noose around tax evaders. The amendments under the Tax Procedures Code Act, among others, include the introduction of penalties of failure to adhere to electronic fiscal receipting and invoicing solution and digital tax stamps. This is intended to combat tax evasion, smuggling, and other vices. The minister said that the budget is one that aims at stimulating economic recovery, enhance productivity and competitiveness of enterprises, but also help in wealth creation and jobs for the ordinary Ugandans. To this, Minister Kasaija and government will work on ways of reducing its expenditure in the next financial year in a bid to realize the budgetary goals.